Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Introduction to Sustainable Living. Sustainable living is an essential concept in contemporary society, focusing on reducing individual and collective environmental footprints through mindful consumption and lifestyle choices. The principles of sustainable living are deeply rooted in the broader framework of sustainability, which aims to meet the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. This lesson delves into the key theoretical foundations of eco-friendly practices, exploring how sustainable living can be integrated into daily activities, business strategies, and community initiatives. Sustainable living encompasses a range of practices intended to reduce environmental impact and promote the health and well-being of ecosystems. It involves making conscious decisions about energy use, waste production, transportation, food consumption, and resource management. According to the World Commission on Environment and Development's report, Our Common Future, sustainable development is defined as development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. This definition underscores the importance of balancing economic growth with environmental stewardship and social equity. One of the fundamental aspects of sustainable living is energy conservation. Energy consumption is a major contributor to environmental degradation, particularly through the burning of fossil fuels, which releases greenhouse gases responsible for climate change. Renewable energy sources, such as solar, wind, and hydroelectric power, offer viable alternatives to fossil fuels. Transitioning to renewable energy can significantly reduce carbon emissions and mitigate the effects of climate change. For instance, a study by Jacobson et al. Found that transitioning to 100% renewable energy could reduce global warming, air pollution, and energy instability. Waste management is another critical component of sustainable living. The reduce, reuse, recycle mantra encapsulates the essence of sustainable waste practices. Reducing waste involves minimizing the amount of disposable products and packaging, thereby cutting down on the volume of waste generated. Reusing items extends their life cycle, decreasing the demand for new products and conserving resources. Recycling converts waste materials into new products, reducing the need for raw materials and the energy required for manufacturing. According to the United States Environmental Protection Agency, recycling 1 ton of paper can save 17 trees, 7,000 gallons of water, and 463 gallons of oil. Transportation is another area where sustainable living practices can make a significant impact. The transportation sector is a major source of greenhouse gas emissions, primarily due to the reliance on gasoline and diesel-powered vehicles. Adopting alternative modes of transportation, such as biking, walking, carpooling, and using public transit, can reduce individual carbon footprints. Additionally, the development and adoption of electric vehicles offer a promising solution to reduce emissions from personal and commercial transportation. According to the International Energy Agency, the global EV stock reached 10 million in 2020, a 43% increase from the previous year, indicating a growing shift towards sustainable transportation options. Food consumption also plays a pivotal role in sustainable living. The modern industrial food system is resource-intensive and environmentally damaging, contributing to deforestation, water scarcity, and greenhouse gas emissions. Sustainable food practices include consuming locally grown, organic, and plant-based foods. Local food consumption reduces the carbon footprint associated with transportation and supports local economies. Organic farming practices minimize the use of synthetic chemicals, promoting soil health and biodiversity. Plant-based diets have been shown to have a lower environmental impact compared to diets high in animal products. A study by Porin Nemechek found that plant-based diets could reduce food-related greenhouse gas emissions by up to 73%. Resource management is essential for sustainable living, encompassing water conservation, sustainable forestry, and eco-friendly product choices. Water is a precious resource, and its conservation is critical in the face of increasing demand and climate-induced scarcity. Simple practices such as fixing leaks, using water-efficient fixtures, and choosing drought-resistant plants can contribute to water conservation. Sustainable forestry practices ensure that forest resources are harvested in a way that maintains ecosystem health and biodiversity. Eco-friendly product choices involve selecting items made from sustainable materials with minimal environmental impact throughout their life cycle. Integrating sustainable living practices into daily life requires a shift in mindset and behavior. Education and awareness are crucial in fostering a culture of sustainability. Individuals and communities need to understand the environmental impact of their actions and the benefits of adopting eco-friendly practices. Public campaigns, educational programs, and community initiatives can play a significant role in promoting sustainable living. For example, the Transition Towns movement, initiated in Totnes, England, encourages communities to develop local solutions to global environmental challenges, fostering resilience and sustainability. Businesses also play a crucial role in promoting sustainable living. Corporate sustainability involves integrating environmental, social, and economic considerations into business operations and strategies. Companies can adopt sustainable practices such as reducing energy consumption, minimizing waste, sourcing sustainable materials, and investing in renewable energy. Corporate social responsibility initiatives and sustainability reporting can help businesses demonstrate their commitment to sustainability and engage stakeholders. A study by Eccles, Ioannou, and Serafame found that companies with strong sustainability performance tend to have better financial performance and lower risk. Government policies and regulations are essential in supporting sustainable living practices. Governments can implement policies that promote renewable energy, energy efficiency, waste reduction, sustainable transportation, and sustainable agriculture. Incentives such as tax credits, subsidies, and grants can encourage individuals and businesses to adopt sustainable practices. Regulatory measures such as emission standards, waste management regulations, and sustainable land use planning can drive systemic change towards sustainability. For instance, the European Union's Circular Economy Action Plan aims to transition the EU to a circular economy, promoting sustainable production and consumption patterns. In conclusion, sustainable living is a multifaceted concept that requires a holistic approach to reduce environmental impact and promote the health and well-being of ecosystems. By making conscious decisions about energy use, waste production, transportation, food consumption, and resource management, individuals and communities can contribute to a more sustainable future. Education, business practices, and government policies play crucial roles in fostering sustainable living. The integration of sustainable practices into daily life and business operations is essential for achieving long-term sustainability goals and ensuring the well-being of future generations. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UExcel, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.